Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall and remove the 3D Viewer app on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the apps tile. And then on the right side in the searches list field, just go ahead and locate 3D Viewer, select it, and then select the uninstall button. It's going to say this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Select uninstall, and it should say uninstall once that's done. You may want to restart your computer, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.